Good evening, everyone. I hope you are all having a good day, comrade. I'd like to make this video for our members who do not understand isiZulu, isiXhosa, isiSwati. As I have made a presentation in isiZulu to explain how our member portal work in our website. Comrades, everyone in our organization, we are transiting to our website. We've been operating on WhatsApp, Facebook, all the social media, but now we have launched our official website for all our operations. So this is a member account of one of our members, Sivuyile Makosonke. I will make an example with his member portal account. Okay, here we are on the dashboard. If you get your username and your password once we have registered your account, more especially for the members that are our existing members, we will create your account and send you the username and the password. The password is optional. You have an option to reset it if you would like to reset it, but there is no risk because we are the only one who knows the password. Other members have no access to see your password. So yeah, then when you log in for the first time, this will be your dashboard. Okay, welcome back, Sivuyile Makosonke. Here's an overview of your membership and cases. Okay, this is a case number. This case number is generated automatically by our website system once you just created your account and you are in the active member login. Okay, the status is active. Once you register your account, it will be written pending here. It won't be saying active. It will be pending. If you are a new member, once you activate your membership by paying a membership fee for that current month, then we will update it to change to active. And this active status will last for a 1 year. Every after 1 year, on the same day, same date, same month, you will renew your membership. Okay, the membership package that you chose here, we have